Hello, I am Comp Bob with the joke of the week for you. Here is the joke for this week. A famous physician, who was a heart specialist, passed away, and everyone was gathered at his funeral. A regular coffin was displayed in front of a gigantic heart. When the minister finished with the sermon, and after everyone said their goodbyes, the heart was opened, the coffin rolled inside, and the heart closed. Just at that moment, one of the mourners started laughing. The guy next to him asked, "Why are you laughing?" The man replied, "I was thinking about my own funeral." The first man was very confused by this, and asked, "What's so funny about that?" The man replied, "I am also a doctor, but I specialize in proctology." Ha ha ha. Ha ha ha. A reminder, you can find many of the Comp Bob jokes on YouTube. Just go to www.youtube.com and search for Comp Bob. Be sure to send this joke to your friends. And look for me every Tuesday in the Newsline video report, where I update you on our most recent poll results. I'll see you next week.